Guidelines for home isolation of COVID-19 positive patients. This video explains what to do when someone has tested positive for COVID-19 and has been advised to isolate at home. First of all, who is required to be in home isolation? It is only for those who either have no symptoms and have oxygen saturation more than 94%, or those who have mild symptoms such as sneezing, nose cold, sore throat with or without fever, no breathing problem, and have oxygen saturation more than 94%. Here are some instructions for the patient in home isolation. Stay alone in a separate room in home if possible. If it is not possible to be isolated from others in the same household, consider getting admitted in a COVID care center run by BBMP. The contact details for the nearest centers are given below. Inform your Purva Riviera contact and give them a contact number which they will use to keep in touch with you. Keep windows in the house open to allow fresh air to come in. Always use a 3-layer medical mask. Change mask after 8 hours of use or earlier if it becomes wet or dirty. Take good rest and drink a lot of fluids like water, juices, etc. Wash hands with soap and water for at least 40 seconds or clean with hand sanitizer regularly. Don't share personal items with other people in the house. Check blood oxygen saturation with a pulse oximeter and temperature with thermometer as frequently as advised by the doctor. Normal oxygen level is above 94. Normal temperature is 98.6 Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. And the normal heart rate at rest is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Note down the readings in a chart as shown below. Report immediately to your Purva Riviera contact or consulting doctor if symptoms get worse. Now here are some instructions for the caregiver. Whenever the caregiver is with the patient, they must wear a 3-layer medical mask and a cloth mask over it, or preferably only an N95 mask. Change the mask immediately if it gets wet or dirty. Discard the N95 mask after use and wash hands well with soap and water. Avoid touching own face, nose or mouth. Avoid direct contact with body fluids from mouth or nose of the patient. Use disposable gloves while handling the patient. Avoid touching items in the room unnecessarily. Food must be provided to the patient in their room. Make sure the caregiver follows these hygiene related instructions. Wash hands with soap and water for at least 40 seconds after meeting patient and wipe hands using a separate towel. Utensils and dishes used by the patient should be washed separately with soap or detergent and water wearing gloves. The utensils and dishes should be kept separately for reuse. Throw used masks into garbage only after disinfecting it with bleach solution. Bleach solution is to be prepared by adding 1 capful of bleach like Domex floor cleaner in a bucket of water. Instructions regarding medical treatment to be given to the patient. Patient must take only the medicines prescribed by the doctor. Be in contact with the doctor and report immediately in case symptoms become worse. Example, oxygen levels below 94, breathing difficulty, high fever, etc. If the patient is diabetic or takes medicines for other problems such as high blood pressure or heart problem, continue the medications after consulting the treating physician. Do warm water gargles or steam inhalation twice a day. While sleeping, try to sleep on one side as much as possible as shown here. Change from one side to the other side as per your comfort. This will help in increasing oxygenation. It is very important to know when to seek medical attention. Keep monitoring the health of the patient as mentioned earlier. Seek immediate medical attention if serious signs or symptoms develop. These will include difficulty in breathing, drop in oxygen saturation below 94%, constant pain or pressure in the chest, mental confusion or inability to get out of bed. Finally, you need to know when to stop home isolation. Home isolation can be stopped after 14 days from the day of first test result if there are no symptoms for the last 3 days. As an additional precaution for full recovery and safety of others, it is advisable to take a rest at home for 1 more week. There is no need for testing after the home isolation period is over. Take care and stay safe.